Okay guys, we got a 2004 Dodge Ram here. This is the same year for, I think, 98 to 2006. All these taillights are the same. So we're just changing the entire assembly. So we started pulling the bolts here. We'll show you. Really simple process. Unless one of the bolts gets stuck. Then not so simple. Jeez. You're going to pull that out. You're going to unplug the clip right here. This one's been on here forever and a day. While he's pulling that, we will unwrap these. Thought it would be a... Okay, so he got the clip unplugged there. We got this one ready. So the LEDs that I had on this truck, they were a little bit different, but the plug should still plug into this. It's the original plug that was used, so it's just going to be a little bit tighter. Just going to plug it into the back there. Pop those into their home. Oh, yeah, you got two small clips right back here. Make sure that you line those up. Just give it a little press in there, and then your two screws back in right there. And then he's just gonna run those back in. Super simple, just like that. Now we'll do the other side. This side was the actual one that was burnt out, and it came as a set. I just got them on Amazon. It's for my personal truck. So hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.